What are you making?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
You call my phone?
No. So tell me how do you make it?
I stir it.
You stir it? Okay, are you ready to stir it?
Almost.
Okay, good job. Good job.
One more bit.
Okay.
Incoming call from Wood-801-829-0582.
Why is that hard?
You're such a good cook, Easton. Are you a good cook?
One more cheese.
I'm videotaping you.
Ugh.